arrived in BVI and the first thing we're going to do is the baths. What island's this on, Dave?
Going to the bath in Mum.
What island are we on?
Virgin Gorda.
Virgin Gorda. But I think it's going to rain. So apparently you tie your dinghy up here and swim.
This is the beach
Sexy shoes.
at Devil's Bay, Virgin Gorda. Now we've got to look for the bath. Come on, sexy mama.
Baby.
Oh, cool. This is amazing. Wow. Epic. As is completely typical of us, we went the wrong way.
Oh, we did it backwards.
Yeah, not that it really matters. How's your footwear holding up?
Yeah, good.
I don't think anybody's actually seen mine.
Got Dave Dodson.
That's how cool I am.
That's not cool, Dave. You think you're going to forget your name?
No one's nicking my trainers.
What's my hair doing? Did you seriously take all the photos with hair like that? No, I'm not even joking.
I can't
now.
be responsible
Are
for your hair.
Are you joking me? So we've just done a pregnancy photo shoot that took literally 20 minutes and I've just looked... Dave, please don't tell me that you've just let me...
How would I know what your hair looks like?
Oh, I can't believe that you wouldn't notice that. Come on, action man. So we've been very lucky, the baths are literally empty. Probably because the sun's not out.
Alright, I've got to video Hayley getting in the dinghy because
it's really hard.
I suspect this would be entertaining. Oh, good skills.
You're not even going to help me.
Oh, I wouldn't be able to video if I did that.
It's really hard.
Oh, and you can do it. Do you want me to help you?
Yeah.
Here. One hand. Okay. Oh, she's nailed it. Go on. Kick. Yes.
No, I'm gonna fall.
No, you can do it. Come on, you can get it. Go on. Go on. You can do it.
Dave, help me, honestly, it's hurting me now. Can you just lift me up?
I think you've got it now. Look, you're in. Oh, I've never seen such grace in a dinghy.
That was hard. This is my injury.
You're always getting injured.
Ow. That was off. Look what hurt me. Ow. Dave wants to show me how it's done getting in a dinghy.
Hello, this is how I saw this woman do it on Facebook. Right, just put one hand there, and then one hand there, then face that way. Right? Yeah?
Mm.
And then she goes underwater. My arm's not long enough.
Go on then.
Actually.
Oh my god.
It's actually really easy.
That looks really easy.
It's really easy.
We've just arrived in this bay and it is devastating. There are so many boats that have
Hayley,
been beached.
27, but I lost count halfway along the beach.
Hi guys, so tonight we are hosting a dinner party. Dinner party for the Aussies. I'm doing them English, bangers and mash, my speciality. Just setting the table. I've done a lemon drizzle cake. Dave is still tidying his stuff away that I'm telling him to hurry up and do.
Done.
We've got our new screen up. You can take that down now, I guess, Dave. I'm just setting the table. Bangers and mash, yum yum.
Hayley's dead excited, we've got a dinner party happening. Welcome. Oh, let me give you a hand.
The Aussies are happy with the bangers and mash.
Great bangers, Hayley.
Oh, good one, Dave. Why do you always have to make things crude?
Oh, I'm sure that you got something. Oh, I got nothing. Oh, this is fantastic.
We've got quite bad weather coming this week, so we've moved location to a different little island and a really sheltered bay, and you'd never know it was shitty weather because it's mint. There's old Princess enjoying the sun, and there's not a breath of wind here, but the other side of this island, I think it's what, 30 knots?
Finally, no wind.
We have found the perfect island, and it should really be up to Hayley to tell everyone where we are.
We are on Cooper's Island, which is my...
Cooper Island.
Cooper Island.
Which is Hayley's maiden name. And it's perfect, right?
Yeah, I love it. The water's clear, there's no wind.
So we're gonna do absolutely
Nothing.
For how long? 2 days?
Yeah.
Yeah. See you in 2 days.
Dave decided to come out wearing my, we just come to watch the sunset, but it is actually, believe it or not, a little bit nippy. It's AquaFrolics.
Good day, Aussies. What's he saying?
Has he got ears on that rope?
I can't see.
Yeah.
It does have ears, yeah.
Nice. And I reckon a few beers on AquaFrolics after. What do you reckon?
Yeah, beers sound great.
No idea what Dave's doing. He seems to be hanging over the edge with my dressing gown on. Look how dirty our windows are. Just left Cooper Island. We're now on our way to Norman Island. Morning. So we are here in Norman Island this morning. We had a great night ashore last night in a little bar that's just actually been rebuilt since the hurricane. We had some few drinks there, well the boys did. And now we are about, well Dave's been helping our Irish friends who are on Nevada. Is it Nevada?
Narita.
Narita, to take down their mainsail. So he's just come back to get me to go and help because apparently it's a nightmare. We've got 25 knots of wind.
No, we just hit 36.
Oh, we just hit 36 knots of wind, and obviously you can imagine a big mainsail on the front.
63-foot boat with a very big mainsail, which is in 2 pieces.
Yeah, they ripped their mainsail, so they're just there this boat here. So we're gonna go and help them.
Come
Dave's already been helping them all morning. Monkey on board. Look at us. Dave's gourmet lunch. Packet of noodles in the pan, boiling water, boom.
That's a great deal of effort to make you those.
Thanks for the yummy noodle lunch.
Homemade noodles.
Homemade, yeah? I found a mermaid today. Mermaid bow. What just happened, Dave?
You didn't tie the bloody boat off. I'm not sure I tied off. But this one isn't.
Fully clothed.
Perfect.
Oh my god, that was brilliant. How was your trip, Dave?
Yeah, good one.